In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find, copy, and use sound IDs in Roblox step by step. First, open Roblox in your browser and sign into your account. Then move to the top navigation bar and click Create. This will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub. Once the page loads, look over to the left side menu and click Store. Wait a few seconds for the store page to load completely. Now move to the top section of the page and click Audio. You'll now see thousands of audio assets available on Roblox. These can include sound effects music, tracks ambient, sound genre-based, audio vibes, and background music. Now browse through the available audio categories. For example, you can open a category like electronic. As you browse, you'll see a play button next to each audio asset. Click the play button to preview the sound before selecting it. Once you find a sound you want to use, click More Info. This will open the asset details page. Now move to the top right corner of the asset window and click the three dots. You'll see an option called Copy Asset ID. Click it, and Roblox will automatically copy the sound ID to your clipboard. Now let's add that sound ID into Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio if it isn't already open. Then look over to the Explorer panel and click Sound Service. With Sound Service selected, click the plus icon. Then select Sound. A new sound object will appear. Now move to the Properties panel. Find the Sound ID field. Right-click inside the field and click Paste. The sound ID will be added automatically. There's also another way to find audio without leaving Roblox Studio. Look over to the left side panel and open the Toolbox. At the top of the Toolbox, you'll normally see Models selected. Click the drop-down menu and change it from Models to Audio. Now you'll be able to browse Roblox audio assets directly inside Studio. Browse through the available sounds. When you find one you like, click the play button to preview it. Then right and click Copy Asset ID. You can also add the audio directly to your project from here. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.